TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes into the trading day, and we got green across the board, folks. S&P is positive by 8 points right now, trading at 33.77. We're within about 5 points of the high we had yesterday, and we're within about 20 points of all-time highs in the futures market. NASDAQ NQ futures up 83 points at 11,209. You got the Dow up 12 points right now, 27,882. Gold up $3 at $19.51. That gold contract bouncing around. We got silver up 83 cents at $26.82. Notes and bonds, pretty muted action right now. You get the 10-year negative 1 tick at 139.05. You get the 30-year negative 7 ticks at 178.18, and we'll jump right into it. Initial weekly jobless claims, 963,000. That number out at 8:30 a.m. this morning. The market was looking for about 1.1 million was what they were looking for. You see the decline that we are averaging out, quite the trend. Now, when you get into continuing claims, 15.5 million, quite the number, but this is the first time that we've been under a million initial weekly jobless claims since the pandemic really began. You see the spike that we've had. We're talking about 19 or 20 weeks around that number. Hopefully that trend continues. What else we got? Cisco trading dramatically lower. They're down about 10%, folks, when we get into it. Their numbers for the past quarter, not that bad. Earnings, 80 cents a share versus 74. Revenue, $12.15 billion versus $12.08, but they guided down. The market never likes to see that. We'll jump over to their chart in a moment, but it is an ugly one this morning. And Lyft, out with their numbers last night, they're trading lower as well, even though decent numbers. They lost less than the market was looking for. I'll get there. They lost 86 cents. The market was looking for 99. They had revenue of $339 million. The market was looking for 337. And as we jump over to these two stocks, we'll start it off with Cisco. Oh man, down 10.8% from 48 to 43. We'll jump over to Lyft shares. Lyft down about 5% to 29.08. In this market, folks, we're going to check in on that VIX. 21 handle on the VIX at 21.74. Stay tuned, folks. Come back after the break. We got live programming all day. I'm coming back with Tom. Fast Market at 11. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien all this afternoon. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.